Okay, so hello guys, we will now be formatting this laptop. So before formatting, be sure to remove the battery of the laptop and be sure to plug in your power source, this one, and then also be sure to plug in your OS. So this is your bootable OS, and then for this laptop, the F2 is the BIOS setup. So just press F2 after pressing the power button. Let's do it. Press the power button and press F2 until the BIOS will appear. Okay, so that is the BIOS. We will go to the boot actually, and this boot, the external device boot is already enabled. So we will go to the first boot priority, and I'll just select the external device. It's actually selected already, and then let's exit. So let us exit setup and save configuration. Yes. Okay, then let's wait for the laptop to restart. Okay, so it's reading the OS. I'll post this video and then I'll just start it again after it will have a progress. Okay, so after this, just select your language you want to input and then just go to next. I chose English. Keyboard input is US. Okay, and then just install. And yeah, just wait. Okay, and I have here my Windows 10. I don't have my Windows 8.1, so I'll try reinstalling the Windows 10. Okay, then just click next, and just accept terms, and of course next. I'm not going to upgrade since our SSD doesn't have OS installed, so I will just install only. Then I tried installing a while ago, so for the sake of just testing it, let me just format everything. So I'll be deleting everything here, and then I'll press next. I will not be I will not be having a partition since it's only 256 gigabyte. And then let's just wait for this one to finish, and then proceed to the next part. After restarting for several times, we now have this one. Since I don't want to have my Wi-Fi connected, so I'll just skip this one first.
Make your computer easier to use.
Sorry, skip that one. Then just maybe use Express settings. And then wait again. So I'll fill up this one using the name. So let's say this is I'll just put Sony. Okay, and then for the password, I'll just leave it blank. Sign up now. Just wait for the computer to set up. Okay, so after the computer had its setup, so we now have this one. Okay, so this is the so basically this is now the newly formatted hard drive or the SSD. So you can just install the driver of this laptop. You can download it at the support or the support center of your own laptop, and then install it. So after installing it, you can now install the other applications. So let me check the task manager if it is if the disk is giving 100%, or let's see if there are some improvements. Let me see. Okay, so let's check the performance, and yes, the disk is giving 1% or 0% here. Okay, so it's not 100%, but as you can see, it is 0%. It means that there is an improvement from our old hard drive to our new SSD. So that's it. That's how you're going to change or upgrade your normal hard disk to SSD. I'll be showing you how to download the laptop's driver for this model. So first you need to know the model of your laptop. So in my case it's Sunny, of course, and its model number is written here, so you can see it actually here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a VGN NW 320F. So you can just copy that one, then you can just search it on Google. So just have Sony and then the model number, which is the VGN, that's one. So N240F, and then just put the drivers. Then there you have many options in selecting where to download your drivers. For my suggestion, I always see that the site is corresponding to your laptop's brand. So for example, this is www.sony.com, so this is more reliable than the other websites. But in this case, this one is an old laptop. That's why the Sony stopped uploading the drivers for this laptop, so you can have it on the other websites like the Driverscape, drivers.eu, and so on. So that's it. You can just download it and then install it. Of course, take note of your operating system. So let's take this one for example. So take note of your operating system. Mine is Windows 10 and it's 64-bit. That's what I installed in this laptop. So you can select actually. So here there are different OS, and then make sure that the operating system matches your OS in your laptop, and then just download the drivers and then install it. Your computer might ask you to restart your computer every time you install one driver, so you can just leave it and then restart it after you install all of the drivers. Okay, so for the softwares that you will be needing, you can download it from any site that you want to, like antivirus and so on. Okay, so that's it for this video. Watch out for my next upgrade.